everyone, it's Melissa with the Budgeting Sisters, and today is Menu Monday. Gonna start off keeping it a little bit exciting with some of my sweet kawaii design stickers. We're gonna do a very, very basic menu outline for the week. Oh, there we go. So we have breakfasts. Oh, bro, crooked Melissa. Woo. Breakfasts. And we have our dinners. I wonder if I have another one of those stickers. Let me take a quick look here. This is from an old Michaels sticker book from Sweet Kawaii Design Collaboration. Let's see here. I'm just trying to use up all these little stickers that I have left over. Could use one of those. Let's go with this one. Whoa, this one's bigger than the other ones. Oops. Maybe I shouldn't have picked that one. Okay, we'll just keep it the way it is. Okay. So, breakfasts. We have breakfasts. We have some Cajun chicken sauces. Sorry if my dogs are bothering you. I made some apple cinnamon bread. We have some leftover cinnamon rolls. And we have bagels. And we have plenty of eggs. So, call that good. Oh, you know what? I don't need lunches this week. I'm working inventory at work and they are providing us with lunch. So that will work out. Save me some money there. Dinners. Okay, so we have 2 meals worth of hot dogs. You know what? I'm just going to say 1. That way Ken can have some for his lunches. I have chicken. We can do some potatoes and veggies. Let's see. Ooh, we can make some chicken tacos. I have pork chops in the freezer. We can take those out. We could do some rice and throw in some sort of veggie. And we have pizza. My father will be in town by then, and we can go. I'm not sure if we'll get pizza exactly, but we'll probably go to Pizza Hut and get something because it's cheap and easy. And then the weekend, Oh gosh, I never know what to put for the weekend because I never know what we're going to be doing. I know I still have some other pork chops in the freezer that we can have. We'll have leftovers. Oh, I get some burgers. We can do burgers. Maybe on the grill. So that'll be good. Yeah, so that's a quick little menu update for this week. Like I said, breakfasts are Cajun chicken sausages, apple cinnamon bread, cinnamon rolls, bagels, and eggs. Lunches my work is providing, so I don't have to do that. I did pop in some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches in the freezer, so I'll probably take those with me too, just to make sure I have enough food. Dinners, we have hot dogs, chicken with potatoes and veggies, chicken tacos, pork chops, rice and veggies, pizza, and burgers. So yeah, looks to be a good week. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.